Hi, I'm Marci Degman, the Aspiring Gardener, and today we're going to talk about how to transplant and divide a lilac. As you can see here, I have one in a container, and I'm going to go ahead and pull that out so you can kind of see how they grow. That helps you understand a little bit about the transplanting and dividing. As you can see, they grow by spreading sideways, and you get all these little plants, and it'll turn into a wide kind of a swath or a grove of little trees. So if you really want one lilac, what you want to do right now is you want to remove all these little plantlets. Now you may be able to pull them off, and you may have to cut them. But if you can get the root, then it'll help in the long run. If you want a grove, just leave them and they'll keep on going. Anything kind of little like this you can pull off. And then what you want to do is take a look at the root ball, because you're going to want to dig a hole larger and deeper than the root ball that you're planting. And so this one isn't going to be too bad. If I want to leave it like that, basically it's all intact. All I have to do is put it in the ground, give it a little compost or mulch, take care of it, water it, and it's good.